What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and guess. Oh yeah, remember I told you I was getting a dog, right? I'm getting it October 16th. Well, I'm gonna take every video on my dog, and his name is Spot, and he's a boy. Let's go. What? We didn't. I might get my hair dyed again, but he is. And we got Cuff Drop. Hey, girl. Now come over here, though. And Liam. Oh, yeah. My dog and my aunt dog, Liam. I'm going to show y'all him later. Because he in his room. He's in jail. That's what we call him. That's what we call it. Jail. Because it'll be bad, something like that. They will pee. But luckily, I trained my dog. I'm gonna train my dog. So, I'll be right back.
Is it looking at that when it's water?
Yes.
Or if so, pour it out. Get all this cereal off the table out there, because ain't nobody spilling but you.
Yum. Come here. Look. How do you two, bro? Oh boy. Okay. I'll be right back again. We'll be eating clams. For work?
Church.
Oh.
Dude, I first say, dude took her out. How long ago was it?
What?
That you took her out?
Like a minute ago.
There. Then she got this slimy.
Cough drop. Come here, Cough Drop. Look, and this is Cough Drop. Cough Drop, she's a girl, and the one in the room is a boy. But, oh well. And this is China. She has all the animals in the world, probably.
I swear to God, I was scared to keep in her face. Go ask her if you get the bird.
And
She said, go ask her to see.
she's talking to you.
Go, not do.
Well, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Not this. Come on, y'all. Go.
Yeah.
You in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so I gotta wait to go to